Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to a glorious Western Supermare. Now just on my way down towards the town. It's my second ride on the bike. And a couple of things I wanted to talk to you about this morning. So first of all, video quality and footage. The reason I asked that is because with a slight change in riding style and position and helmet position and all that good stuff with having a different type of bike, I've changed my settings on the GoPro to a super view system with 60 FPS, but I've had to drop it down to 2.7K to get that. So what I'm asking you is, do you think the quality is massively affected? Do you think the position of the camera's okay? It looked okay when I checked my footage back from the first ride, but just let me know what you think. Do you think it's better off having a narrower view but at 4K? Probably not the best road to ask the question, really, purely because YouTube's strangulation of bit rates will probably be making this all bitty and crappy and all sorts right now, but just let me know what your thoughts are. I just want to try and get the best quality for my footage. Oh, by the way, for that I wanted to shout out to Walt in PA, who did a video recently regarding the change in his resolution on his videos down at 2.7K and changed his frame rate, and the quality of his videos are brilliant. So shout out to Walt in PA. Thanks very much, buddy.
Hey, Walt here from Walt in PA, coming at you from southeast Pennsylvania in the USA, and you're watching Weston Supermoto Vlog. Nail guns. They're driving me nuts. They're putting a roof on.
And the next question, and it's because obviously I've just taken on a new bike, is when you buy a new bike or change your bike, what's the first mod you do to it? What's the first thing that you think, right, that bike needs this? Every time you buy a bike it needs something. I mean, my usual one is the exhaust and the number plate. Now this has got quite a good exhaust on it, I'm happy with that. The number plate, because of the way the back end's designed and the mud flap's designed, or mud guard's designed, sorry, at the back, if I put a small number plate on, it would still be the same size backing, so it's not really worth the effort. But what do you do normally? So there you go. That's this morning's 2 questions, 2 comments, and if you put any comments down below, that would be spectacular. Stay safe, guys. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flip side.